Good morning, it's Tristan here. Just wanted to recap some of the market action over the last 2 days. Today is Tuesday, May 22nd. First of all, I'd like to take a look at the ES. The ES has actually rebounded approximately where I had said it would. We're looking at the 618 on the Fibonacci retracement, so it has respected these levels. We're now pushing back up yesterday, Monday, and Tuesday. We do have some overhead resistance at 1327, 1341, 1335. So it does have a bit of a struggle, but I do see a rebound. I do see a push up in the ES. Something else I'd like to point out about the ES is just the V-bottom pattern. We've got a V-bottom taking place here. We've had a V-bottom here back in March, back in December, back in November, and back in October. So it looks like the current retracement pattern is V-bottoms for the ES. Let's take a look at the Russell. Now the Russell does not look as strong as the ES, but it has bounced off of my long-term support around 747.50, 747.75, and it is pushing up like the ES. We do have overhead resistance again at 777 and 786, but I do look at this market again pushing up. Now its retracements are not as strong as in the ES. We haven't seen the same V-bottoms. We've seen more of a consolidation based on our retracement than more of a multi-day task for the Russell to push back up. So crude oil has pushed through my resistance at 92.75. It looks like we are continuing the trend down, and I do see this falling further into the summer. We might see a little bit of a retracement, possibly back up to the 96 level, but overall, I do see the trend in crude being short. So let's take a look at gold next. So gold again has stuck within my long-term support and resistance levels. We did bounce off of my 1531 level. We are pushing back to 1603, back into overhead resistance. I do see gold now pushing back down. Just too much overhead resistance at 1633, at 1643, at 1653 for a big push back up. So I do see gold weaker, and also with a lot of the market happenings lately, people are fleeing gold as a safe haven, and they are moving into the US dollar. Let's take a look at treasuries next. So the 10-year notes are behaving as I've mentioned in my previous videos. Strong uptrend. We have pulled back to the 38.2 level on the Fibonacci extension. I am looking for a bounce here at the 133 level, 133.32, and a resumption of the trend up. Case scenario, we come down to 132.80 or 132.25, and even if we come all the way back down to 132.25, our uptrend, the technicals, will not have been broken. So thanks again for listening to my videos. So check out my website. There's quite a few historical premium videos now. There's great stuff. We talk about trends. We talk about when to trade, when not to trade, where the markets are moving. Again, we do market recaps. So please check us out and check back often. This is Tristan. Thanks a lot for T2CTrading.com.